We're here.
Hello.
In our garden again.
We're in the garden. We're at the end of the season, as you can see. Didn't really show the progression, but life gets busy, so that's okay. We're gonna just do a little harvest today, so we're gonna dig up some potatoes and some beets, see what else we can find. So I'm just gonna, these guys have already died, so I'm just gonna cut them up.
These have been dead for about, what, like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so apparently
Just let them die, and they just did this naturally.
yeah, and apparently it gives the potatoes time to, what is it? They get like a thicker skin, so they store better.
Yeah.
And you can throw these over on our berm that we've been building over there. You can't really, I don't know if you can see it. We've been building a berm. Plant some plants over there eventually.
I just want to dig right in here and see if I can find a spud.
Yeah, I just want to get some of these out of the way. Quite big.
Oh, no. Oh, little guy.
Ooh.
The first potato.
I'm in here.
Oh, look, there's a tiny one.
Baby.
I wonder why they're so small.
I don't know. Hopefully there's some bigger ones in the bottom. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice one.
They're still like new potatoes.
Yeah.
Why are they so small?
I don't know.
Alright, well, there is lots, but... Oh, yeah, look at them all.
We aren't sure. This is our first time growing potatoes, so...
Well, should we do a square at a time and see what we can get in this one square?
Yeah, I don't know how far they've gone down. I would assume we're down there.
I'd hope so. Otherwise it was a failure.
Oh, it's a failure, but not as much as we anticipated.
You
Oh,
dig.
somebody
oh, yeah.
there. That looks like maybe the seed
Oh,
or something.
did we water them enough?
Yeah.
We didn't put any, like, compost or anything on, did we?
No, but when we started the garden, we added all those additions to make it. Oops.
That's it?
Oh, I think there's more. You just gotta. There we go.
Oh,
There's some guys.
some bigger ones. Gotta dig right down, I guess.
Yeah, and I didn't, like you said, when we did the potatoes, we didn't dig the trench very deep.
Yeah, probably would have dug down a little deeper with the first seed. Let's try this one.
Yeah.
Do the next square. You think that's it?
I don't know.
Another one?
There might be more.
Okay. Look at these little guys. Like a tiny little thing on there. That's no good. Oh, yeah. Couple spuds.
In for treasure.
Oh, there's one. Yay.
Ooh.
There's another one. Oh, they're tiny. Not what I was expecting.
Well, it's good not to expect things. Here's a big one.
Oh,
Look at that guy.
yeah.
Yeah, see, it looked like it would have grown some more too, but
Yeah, it didn't quite
we didn't.
grow. I wonder why it wasn't successful. Not enough water, or look at this tiny potato. We should probably just harvest this without showing everybody, and then we'll show them what we get. Woohoo! Not bad. Some good ones. Good sizes. Some little guys. Bit of a mix, but that's just from this one bed. I was expecting more, but like at least they're healthy and good quality. So we've got those
Bags.
these little bags to do next. So that you were really excited to just tip these out. Is that what you want to try?
Well, I don't want to make a mess. To be honest.
Little guy. The first red potato is the size of my thumbnail.
Looks purple.
Come on, let's hope there's some bigger ones in here. This soil feels pretty dry, actually. This totally failed. Oh, there's some. Purple gold.
Yeah, I didn't get very many. Just a few little ones.
If anybody can give us their suggestions as to what maybe went wrong there, let us know in the comments. Could be underwatering or under composting, I don't know. But that soil does seem pretty dry, but I'll try the other one. Oh look, hey, bingo! One decent
Red one.
red one. Maybe there's more. Yeah, there's another one. I might actually just pour it out onto the bed there, so it's not going to make a mess. I saw one. That's it.
Turned out all right.
It's not going to tie us over the whole winter, but
it's a start.
it's a start. Not bad. I mean, cost to production ratio is probably pretty high. I think it would be cheaper to have just bought these potatoes, but that's not the point. We're trying.
The point is to grow our own, so we don't have to.
Well, we've started, and now we're getting beans.
Yeah, there's a few more. These are pretty much done because we've harvested quite a bit already. I just want to save these for seeds. For next
Seed
year.
pods. The beans were good. And we're gonna just pull these out.
Yeah, this whole bed's gonna be garlic. So
cool, garlic coming. And then over here we got some squash growing. It's not quite ready yet, but how cool is that? Woohoo! There's another one kind of coming in behind. And then who knows if these little flowers will turn into them, but maybe. We're gonna harvest the carrots.
nope, those aren't ready yet.
Carrots aren't ready apparently, but they are those. And then over here,
Some beets.
the beets. We're gonna pull them out. Okay, oh look at these guys. Yeah, you pull that guy out. I feel like Bugs Bunny right now. Ooh, look at that. One awesome beet. There's another one here.
That's the small guy. I'd leave that one to grow a bit more.
The small guy.
Yeah, there's a big one over here. It's getting really big. These guys were like popping out of the ground.
Yeah. It's cool. What about that guy? Is that too small?
That's too small. Let's do this one.
Sweet. Can we eat beet greens?
Yep. Yeah, I'd pull off all the dead
And what about
ones.
the red strands on it? Can you eat that whole
stems?
thing? Yeah.
Yep. I can cook them up.
Ooh, looks good. We got these kohlrabis here too.
Yeah, I think I'll
But they're-
just take one.
They're not ready, or they are?
That one we can have, yeah.
This big one.
I just want to leave the other ones. They're not quite there
That
yet.
one's not quite there. That one's a little pretty tiny. So what do? Do we cut it or
I'm gonna hold it.
pull it out because it doesn't go again?
So
They don't run twice. Kohlrabi.
you can eat the greens too.
Sweet. Food for a week. We've been munching on this kale all summer, which has been good. What's this down here? Collards?
Colors, yeah.
So we've been having some of that too.
Yeah, and those can just be left to grow until they stop growing in the winter, I think. If we put the cover on, they'll keep growing, I think.
Okay, we're gonna have to build covers to put over this when it gets cold. We've got some different kale here, which we've just been eating on.
Yeah, the bok choy was a bit sketchy, but it's gone to seed now, so these can be taken out and we can save these seed pods to plant more. Can probably do a fall winter harvest if we get the cover on.
Yeah, this was the bok choy. We did eat some of it.
Good. We can probably just take some of that out. Or trim it down. I'll do that later.
See if it will continue to grow in the winter, or
Yeah, we can plant some more
put all the
seeds.
seeds on that.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Yeah, that's bok choy.
Bok choy, some more bok choy seeds. Alright, and then all the salad stuff, like the lettuce over here.
Yeah, these are
Did
gone
great.
to seed.
We were munching on it all summer. Not quite seedy yet.
These are seeds.
Oh, these.
Yeah, it just rained though, so. let
Oh,
them
these
dry
things
out
are
a
little
bit.
seeds.
Yep.
Oh, these little guys here.
Flowers, yeah.
Okay,
So these can go to seed.
we'll harvest that later. That's it then. Finish with the bowl of food.
Oh,
Harvest day.
a little harvest. We've still got stuff in the ground, but don't think it's ready yet. Make something yummy tonight.
Let's go eat.